Good morning from Pilgrims, Savannakhet, Laos. I'm here on the Mekong. There's the Mekong River here. It's morning. I'm having myself a beautiful coffee here, as you can see. Lao coffee. And over here is Mukdahan, Thailand. As you can see down there, I believe that's a Thai flag. So there's the city of Mukdahan. We're right across the Mekong River here. So this is heading south, and this is heading north. Okay, so you can see it's a beautiful day. I recommend, if you want to see the Mekong, we're right here. I'm right here. There are tables. Come here and have a coffee or have a nice meal. They have Western meals, and they also up here they have a guest house. So it's a very ideal location to enjoy your time here in Savannakhet and soak up some beautiful coffee, soak up the mighty Mekong River. And I'll walk through here, walk through a little bit. There's the part of the guest house up here. I was staying up there. There's just more rooms over there. Here's the coffee shop slash restaurant. Hello.
Hello.
Cookies. There we go with information. USD, baht, Lao, keep all okay. Coffee, drinks. Get some Western style food. We got breakfast. Ooh, looks good. We gotta get something. Pizzas. Yeah, it smells really good here too with the pizzas. I'll have to admit. Mexican food in Laos. Incredible. Indian too. Wow. More than I thought. Desserts, local food. Maybe up until 9, 7 to 9. That's about it. Come through. So here's, like I said, here's a restaurant. Here's some more guest rooms over there. There's the Mekong. You can sit inside or outside. And here we go. And will you introduce yourself real quick?
Hi, I'm Dali. I'm from India, and I'm a manager here at Pilgrims Kitchen Inn.
Okay.
And we have a good menu, international menu. Please drop by when you visit Laos or Savannakhet.
All right. Thank you very
you.
much. Okay, bye-bye.